doing? Want some help? Is this sorcery? What is happening? What is happening? Rani? What is this? Bhalwasha? He loves you. Cool. Cool. No.
That was clean and neat. The monitor was on. There were no signs that anyone had even. Saturday, Halloween night. I think Halloween was on Tuesday this year, so the big party night was the Saturday before. My friends and I were still looking for last-minute plans since everything was sold out. Ideally, we wanted to find a house party. We all had pretty funny costumes too. We wanted to get good use out of them. My friend Kate actually decided to put on looking for parties tonight. Not something I would have ever done, and found that to be kind of shameless.